Alright, guys. I'm gonna do a quick recap here. Um, okay. Today, so it was weird. It's pretty much the same shit that happened yesterday, literally. They did the same shit. They fucking, um, manipulated some highs and then immediately dropped it off. This account is pretty much fried. I mean, I was doing pretty good on it, but look at that. That's not even supposed to happen. At most I can lose in this account is $1,200. I got fucking slipped. That's the first time I ever got slipped ever. I don't think ever since like in my whole trading career, I don't think I ever got slipped. Maybe because of the fact that I wasn't trading like real since last year really. I've been trading for a while, but hold on, bro. This bitch was not on the whole time. Wait, I think my mic is connected too, so you guys heard that. But yeah, basically, I just really started trading for real this last year. So yeah, that's like my first time being slipped. It was from this candle, I think. I don't know what it is, bro. With this eval, it's like I don't know, man. Like I traded so different. I don't know what the fuck it is. Like it's like I don't care about it, which is good at a certain degree. That you shouldn't care too much, but at the same time, to the point, like I don't care about it to the point where I'll be putting like crazy fucking crazy positions. It's not like the trades I take on it. It's like trades that I would take on my fundeds. But it's just that like I be in there with so much size because I don't know what it is, man. Like I guess with evals, like it makes you think differently. I guess it makes you not care too much about it. But that's where I'm at with that one. So basically, I just got slipped the fuck out of that one, which I'm hoping they would just let me trade the rest of the 500 because this account's pretty much dead, bro. I guess I'll try again tomorrow. But just so you know, I'm gonna be trading that shit in one go. It's gonna be dead anyway. But yeah, I didn't really care too much about it. I got it for half off. It's only like $50. $50 is $50, but you know, just hoping to get in on what do you call that? Probably winning that shit, but it is what it is. I'm on, cause I know I might have to do some evals soon enough, but I can't trade them while I'm trading these. To be honest, I gotta focus on them by itself. I can't trade them by while I'm trading these because I don't know what it is, man. It's just I don't take it too serious like how I used to. Like with these accounts, I'm a lot more in control or whatever. So I don't take too much stupid trades. Well, it's not like I said, it's not stupid trades. It's just I'll be way too oversized on that eval. But yeah, that one's pretty much blown. But these ones are pretty good. So you can see we're up pretty nicely. Trades I took on this one was from here to here. Where was it at? Which candle? This is 9:30. The 9:30 candle? No, it wasn't. It's 9:31. I think it was to target this low here. Pretty sure. I think it was in 15 seconds. Yeah, I entered here. I was doing some SMTs here. I just entered, and the fact that the reason why, because if you look at this, there really isn't much you can go off of here. But the main reason why I was confident in this trade, and the reason why I took it on the funders, is because that was an Asia low. You know, I didn't even notice this was Asia low. But yeah, when price is moving so aggressively, I say this shit all the time. When it's moving so aggressively and it's going against going after old lows, especially if it's like a session higher low, like an Asia low, it's probably gonna take it out. Like especially if it's moving this aggressive. If you go to 1 minute, you can't see shit. Then yeah, it's probably not gonna give you shit. So that's why I went to the 15 seconds. I didn't need an entry model. I just needed to see SMTs. As long as there was an SMT there, um, as long as there was an SMT present, that was enough for me. Pretty much, my stop. I didn't put a stop on this one, but my stop would be above where the SMT is. If it gets close to that shit, I would just close manually. That's how I do things. So that was that, and then that last trade was here. This one isn't up as much because I took some trades on this one that I didn't take on the thing on this one here because I was like, okay, I'm gonna just take it on this one. And then yeah, I didn't take it on the other ones, and that was the right call because the ones that I didn't take on this one were losers. And the reason why for that is, look, I'm already above the buffer zone, so really I have this much of drawdown now compared to this one. I still have 6K flat to work with, so I have more drawdown in this one pretty much. But yeah, that's about it really. I mean, I don't think I can find anything else here, man. I mean, we're probably gonna see this, but at the same time, like, we just have so much SMTs with fucking ES. I mean, it might give you some good trades, man, but I would be a little skeptical about it. Whenever you have SMT, bro, especially with a higher time frame, man, it just makes me uneasy. Yeah, let me go. Why I took this trade? All right, this was a fucking pretty easy trade. What I'll be looking for lately is um aggression towards the direction, which is at this point in time it was looking like it really wants to go lower. We still have this here, this like midnight low. Is it? No, never mind. It's not midnight. No, yeah. This lunch low. It don't matter. It's just it's a swing low. That's what it is. Oh, that's why I targeted it. Um, yeah. The trade here was like this. Where did I enter at? 177,168. So let's just put it at 174. I added more to this trade because at that point I was like, yeah, we're probably gonna take this bitch anyway. Trade was like, it looked like this here. Oh fuck. This is the target. And yeah, that's it. That's right there. That's the trade right there. Stop up here because we had SMT here. That's what it did right here. As you can see. Where was it at? No, the SMT was with these candles. Yeah. See, these candle SMTs only work when price is really aggressive, alright? If price isn't too aggressive, I mean, you kind of gotta have a feel for the market to know if price is aggressive. Because obviously this is aggressive, but here some people might not think this is aggressive. But for me, for me it was aggressive. Which is why I took that shit, and it worked out. So yeah, really that was it. And also, the main reason was this too. Um, yeah, and also on another point with the whole getting a feel for the market. As you can see, I entered in this candle. You know what I'm saying? I was waiting for this to get inverted, right? But it didn't. It inverted when this candle closed, and look, the target was already hit. So that means I entered before this candle closed. So I already kind of had a feeling that we were gonna close below that shit. So that's why I entered. And yeah, that's about it, man. It's a quick and easy trade. Both quick and easy trades, really. But yeah, and the trade that got me burned on that account was this here. I made an SMT with as low. I was like, okay, I would like to see price SMT this high for us to continue lower, which most of the time works, but I guess not this time. So yeah, that was what I was trying to target, this high, and this high isn't just some random high. If you look at this, it's a 5-minute fair value. So if we tap that, that would have been even better, even more confirmation that we can go lower. Oh, look at that. They just tapped. Never mind. That's that high right there, but it's still SMT nonetheless. So yeah. Oh, look at this. The straight idea is still panning out. So yeah, that's what I was looking for on this account. I said, okay, let me catch a quick scalp here, take this high out, and then whatever happens. We just gonna take action. But I never did it. It is what it is, man. Pretty decent day. Up 700 on these accounts here. Oh yeah, when I uploaded that video yesterday, I wasn't really up shit on this account. Well, actually, I was up like 300 or some shit. And then I kind of took some trades later on. I think I lost that. Wait, hold on. I don't know. I don't think I lost it. But basically, I was up 4 on this account. And then up 7 on. Yeah, okay, I remember. When I uploaded that video, I wasn't really up anything on this account. Barely anything. But I got like a really, really nice trade around 12 o'clock, which I normally don't trade. But I just had a feeling there was something there. And there was. It was here. I think it was this move here. I caught this move here. Because I saw, okay, it was here, actually here. I saw this 5-minute close like this. I was like, okay, that looks pretty good. And it pretty much looks identical to ES, how they close, as you can see. See, I love shit like this. Look at this. There's not, we have SMT on the opposing side, right? But no SMT down here. We all took out these lows here. We only have this low left. And price closed like this, and price opened like this. Inside, I was like, oh yeah, there's something here. There's something. Hold on. Let me show you what I saw. Let's go. Let's go right here. 1 minute. I mean, it's literally just the same shit I be doing, man. Hold on. 20-second, bro. Right here. And this is, there's another lesson here too. As you can see, we had this right here. They tap onto this, and then they SMT this. I was like, yup, this is it. And I forgot where I entered at. I don't know if I waited for this to get inverted. I probably didn't. But yeah, I literally entered right there. As soon as we had that pullback, and then it started started moving to that antenna direction, I entered right away. I added more to it because I was really confident about this trade. And I took off everything when I was here, this low. Because I was like, okay, we could take this low out, but NQ took this low first. So I was like, okay. And it's already 12 o'clock. I don't normally trade this time. So I'm kind of breaking that rule already. So I was like, yeah, no, I'm going to take off everything here. Because, this is an SMT. Possible SMT. But it is enough to send price back higher. Even if it doesn't go all the way up, it's enough for price to retrace higher to continue lower if they want to. And look what the fuck happened. You know what I'm saying? This is why I always pay attention to SMTs, man, because shit like that happens. So now if I held it through my TP, which is this low, I would have been sad, bro. I would have got fucked. So that was it on that one. Pretty good. Oh, look at this shit. This shit is still going. It looks pretty decent, man. See, if I was in this trade, I would move my. Well, this is really the only area I could move my stop at. Damn, this trade would have been up how much? Pretty much 1 or 2. Overall target would be this the previous day's low. But if you're not too confident with it, you can just take off at the 50 or at the 25 would be here, just eyeballing it. So just say it's at 35 now. Yeah, 30 flat. 33. I'll take off there. Because that's already plenty of moves, man. How much is that if you go to 33? Yeah, that's like a damn near 4, bro. That's plenty. You also still have this going here. You know what I'm saying? Granted, we do have some SMTs here with these highs. But still, man, we just been running so low that, I would just protect myself as much as possible at this point if I was in this trade. But yeah, that's about it, man. Pretty good day. Kind of sucks that I pretty much blew this account, but it's an evaluation. Still would have been nice if I passed it, but the way I was treating that account, bro, even if I passed it, I wouldn't be too satisfied because I did it the wrong way. Cause I mean, you know, because yesterday I was up like 1,200 on that account, and that shit didn't even feel good because it was all luck, and I hate being lucky, bro. Cause I don't like getting lucky in the markets. It's just for me, it's not good being lucky. Being lucky everywhere in life is good, but not in the markets, man. I don't want to be lucky. I want to have skill. And the way I was trading this account, I mean, yeah, they were good trades. There were trades that I would take, but it's just the way I handle it. I don't like it. You know, I'm not satisfied at all. So I would rather not worry about this account because it's really hard to fucking manage all three at the same time. I gotta go from this tab, this here, this. You know what I'm saying? It's just too much, bro. So I might just focus on these, get a payout on these, and then maybe slow down on them, buy some accounts, focus on those. And yeah, that's about it for this one, man. So I'll see you guys in the next one.